Okay, I'll just show you how to delete a mobile from the Bluetooth audio system in this 2013 Mercedes Benz E Class. So we're on sat nav at the moment. That's telephone there. If I go up to telephone, you see here telephone connect device. If I go down to telephone, that won't really show anything. Now, if I go to connect device, I don't want to connect to device either, but if you go to connect device, click on connect device, then it brings up a list of all the phones. Here we go, and you see there's a menu at that side. So Michael's phone there, knock the controller over to the side, click on it, click deauthorize. Do you want to deauthorize Michael's phone? Yes. Click on yes. That's it gone. So we'll just do that again. So select my phone, hang on. Select my phone there, click over to the side, click on it again, click deauthorize. Do you want to deauthorize Barry's iPhone Pro? Yep, that's it done. I'll do it again with this one. Deauthorize, yes, yes. Deauthorize, yes. So that's it, they're all gone. Okay, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this 2013 Mercedes Benz E Class. First of all, we're making sure that Bluetooth is on, green light there, I'm watching out at the bottom. So we're on sat nav. If we click the eye control or the controller, that brings up the menu at the top. Then we click forward until we get on that line at the top, go to telephone, click and select. At the bottom you've got connect device, so we knock it back towards us, and there you go, just move it from side to side to connect device, connect device. That's picked up that car, which is the one behind me, but that's not us, we're in a Mercedes Benz. And here we go at the top there, look, search for phones, search via telephone. So we're doing it from the car, search for phones, click again. Back or start search, looking for my phone, so watching out on the phone and also the screen. It's taking its time, but that's probably because I've just actually deleted it off here. But here we go, it's come up there, so there you go. My phone was not found, Barry's iPhone, I want that. So select that, please wait. Bluetooth pairing request 822096, passkey 822096. I mean, that only matters like then if I was trying to pair it to the person's car at the back there. Allow contacts and favorites to sync, allow. Authorization successful, and here it is connected there. That's how you pair a mobile. Okay, I'll just show you how to stream music from your mobile through the Bluetooth audio system in this 2013 Mercedes Benz E Class. So first of all, if I go out to there and I go to my music, click on music, there's a tune there, I'm going to turn it down. If I click at the bottom here, my phone is paired to this Mercedes Benz unit, but it's not showing on audio. So what we have to do, the eye controller, if I click the eye controller while it's on nav, it brings up the menu, and then I click forward to get up to the top menu, and I click on audio. I then click audio. You'll now see that there's a little arrow come up at the side. That's what I want, the arrow. So I'll go back to audio, click on audio again. Now it brings up this other menu. So the point was to get that arrow up. So you've got to click on it twice, but it defaults down here somewhere and you have to go back to the top. So it's not really intuitive, but navigate all the way down to Bluetooth audio. Watch out here, click on Bluetooth audio. No Bluetooth audio device connected, and nothing here. You've got connect last device here, or BT audio at the bottom. So if I go to BT audio, Bluetooth audio device list, after I've clicked on it, click on the Bluetooth audio device list, then I want to navigate to my phone, click on my phone, and there it's come up here. It's a long-winded approach, and you don't always have to do that, but that's how you do it. Now then, if I go here and I click play for Bruce Springsteen, you'll see there the Wayfarers come up, turn it up. So that's how you stream music from your mobile. Okay, I'll just show you how to set the sat-nav in this 2013 Mercedes Benz E Class. So any screen, you've got Navi up the top there, you can either navigate like that with the controller, select Navi, far simpler way, Navi there, click the button, that's it, done. At the bottom there, look, you've got destination. If I click to the bottom, if it's not already on there, I just knock the switch back towards me to destination and the position, TMC guide, but destination we want, select destination. Address entry, or you've got from memory, from last destination, from POA, address entry, click on that. Now, Great Britain, Preston, you've got, it's on town there, but the easiest way is postcode. So there's two lines at the bottom, two lines of menu. We knock it back, and then to postcode, click postcode, and then here, the rotary controller, we select, we're Grosvenor Garage, Blackburn Road, Higher Walton, Preston, P, R. It's now defaulted to numbers 5, 4, and then it's gone back to letters, E, A, that's it, PR5 4EA. So we select that, even though you've just typed it in, you've still got to select it and say that's what you want. Got continue here. And then we've got start. There you go, it's start at the bottom, back if you've made a mistake, or click start.
Please follow the road for 3/4 of a mile.
That's how you do it. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.